Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about the cost estimation for 96 construction activities at a residential project. Before going into the presentation, let me make one thing very clear. As this analysis is for 96 construction activities, I couldn't carry out all the 96 activities in the presentation. I given some examples in this presentation. The remaining things you can download it from the Excel file for which the URL has been given in one of the slide. Point number two. As this analysis prepared by me some few years back, the basic prices and the labor rates might have changed phenomenally. You have to change the basic rates of the material and the labor rates to get to obtain the rate. Regarding the coefficient of material, nothing has to be changed as this coefficient has been prepared with in accordance with IS codes. Point number three. I haven't considered any overhead and profits in this cost analysis. You have to add the overhead, profit, and taxes according to your project location and according to your project sizes and as per your management principles. Point number four. Regarding the shuttering analysis, for understanding the shuttering analysis, you have to go through my earlier presentation of shuttering analysis so that you can understand how I derived at the shuttering analysis. Now let us go back into the presentation. Rate analysis can be defined as the analytical studies referring to a given job or a work type by identifying its basic elements. But when does rate analysis become necessary? In a normal practice, a quantity surveyor uses the price list items acquired from the regional or any other official price book. But what if specific description isn't available? Well, in that cases, you need to resort building up the unit rate by identifying the elementary resources as the components of the analyzed rates. How is the new rate has been defined? The starting point to define the new unit rate is to run a careful analysis of the elements and resources that built up from the new work item. The elementary components of resources are generally the following: workforce, material, hired equipments, and overheads. Cost estimation for all construction activities at a residential project. Are you working in an estimation department and want to do estimation for all construction activities involved in execution of the residential project? If so, this cost estimation Excel sheet will serve you as a ready references for doing your work at a faster speed, as I added cost estimation for majority of the construction activities. This will also help you not to skip or forget any activity estimate. Excel sheet has the cost estimate for the following items. Cost estimate for PCC 148, PCC 136, PCC 124, M15 grade concrete with a simultaneous content of 325 kgs per cubic meter, estimate for RCC footing, estimate for RCC plinth beams, estimate for RCC beam at upper levels, including the scaffolding, shuttering, and staging as shown in the drawing, cost estimate for RCC slab, estimate for stilt floor slab, estimate for a first floor beams, estimate for a first floor slab, estimate for RCC beam at all levels, estimate for a staircase, estimate for RCC columns, estimate for a lift putty, estimate for a TMT bars FE 500 as per 1786, estimate for FE 415 as per IS 1786, estimate for a mild steel, estimate for a 230 mm or a more thick brick masonry, estimate for a masonry work 150 mm thick with a boxing with a band, estimate for a masonry work for 100 mm thick, estimation for a 12 mm thick plaster, estimation for a ceiling plaster, estimate for a deck plaster, estimate for a entrance flooring, estimate for a entrance lobby skirting, estimation for a dado work, estimate for a deck flooring, estimation for a vitrified tile flooring, estimation for a skirting, estimation for a staircase tread, estimation for a staircase risers, marble flooring, stairs, lift lobby, estimate for a sloping skirting, estimate for a quota flooring, stair, lift lobby, estimate for a cladding work, estimate for a basin counter, estimation for a kitchen platform, estimation for a window sill, estimation for a toilet door frame, estimation for a main door frame, section 6 inches by 3 inches with African teak wood, estimation for a main door frame 6 inches by 3 inches with a red Mirandi wood, estimate for internal door frames, estimation for a main door shutters, estimate for a staircase door, estimate for a bedroom door, estimate for a toilet door, estimate for a duct door, estimate for a kitchen door shutter, estimate for a POP covering for a flooring, estimate for doing 230 mm dry rubble soling, and many more items. Let us go into the presentation. First, let us talk about a PCC 148. PCC 148, cement will be 1, okay? Cement 1, that cement 3.17 at the rate of 350, 792.50. Wastages 0.1 percentage, 25 rupees. Sand 20 percentage, 0.44 at the rate of 1271 will be 559.24. Wastages 0.09 at the rate of 1271 will be 114. Aggregate 0.88 at the rate of 777 will be 683.76. Wastage 10 percentage will be 7 at the rate of 777 will be 69.93. Shuttering will be 138.85. So the material cost will be 2383. Labor, shuttering labor 45 rupees per square meter will be 45. Labor rate for concreting pouring will be 225 rupees. Supporting labor 10 percentage of 270 will be 27 rupees. Mixing for and transportation will be 160 rupees. So the labor cost will be 457, 457. So the total cost of material plus labor per PCC 148 per cubic meter will be 2840. PCC 124, cement 3% 650 at the rate of 1625. Wastages 0.2, that will be 50 rupees. Sand 20 percentage, that is 451 cubic meter, 0.451 cubic meter at the rate of 1271 will be 573. Wastages 0.09 percentage will be 109.31. Aggregates 0.9 at the rate of 777, 700 rupees. Wastage 10 percentage will be 777 will be 69.93. Shuttering 138.85. So total material cost will be 3267. Okay. Labor, shuttering labor 1 square meter will be 45 rupees. Concrete labor for pouring will be 225 rupees. Supporting labor will be 27. Transportation and mixing will be 160 rupees. So the labor cost will be 457. So material and labor cost for PCC 124 will be 3724 per cubic meter. Now let us talk about the plinth beams. RMC 1 cubic meter at the rate of 3,888 will be 3,888 rupees. Wastage 2% will be 7776. Shutterings 9 square meter at the rate of 227.63 will be 2048. So the total material cost will be 6014. Labor, shuttering will be 9 square meter at the rate of 82 rupees will be 738. Labor for pouring will be 225 rupees. Supporting labor will be 125.9. So the cost of the labor will be 1088. So the labor plus material cost for RCC plinth beam M30 will be 7113. RCC slab RMC 1 cubic meter 3888. Wastages will be 2% will be 77.76. Okay. Shuttering 6.85 square meter at the rate of 164 will be 1123. Wastages will be nil. So the material cost will be 5089. Labor, shuttering 6.85 square meter at the rate of 110 will be 753. Labor for concreting pouring will be 225 rupees. Supporting labor will be 127 rupees. So the labor cost will be 1105. So the cost of concreting material plus labor for a RCC slab with M30 will be 6194. Floor beams. RMC 1 cubic meter 3888. Wastage is 2%, will be 77.76. Shuttering 8 square meter at the rate of 227.6 will be 1820. Wastages will be 2 nil. Waterproofing admixture will be 135. So total material cost will be 5921. Labor. Shuttering labor 8 square meter at the rate of 110 will be 880. Scaffolding 8 square meter at the rate of 35 will be 280. Concreting pouring will be 247. Supporting labor will be 146 rupees. So the labor cost will be 1553. So concreting of M30 for a floor beams will be with the materials and labor will be 7475. TMT high yield deformed bobs of FE 500. Steel price 38,500. Wastages and rolling margin 5% will be 1925. Cover blocks 100 rupees. Binding wire 10 kgs at the rate of 66 will be 660. So the total material cost 41,185. Labor cost. Cutting and bending labor rate will be 2850. Supporting labor will be 242.25. So the labor cost will be 3092. So cost of FE 500 material plus labor will be 44,277 rupees per metric ton. Now let us talk about 150 mm thick brickwork with a band. 1 square meter brickwork 150 mm thick. Cement mortar ratio will be 1:4. Joint will be 10 mm thick. Bricks will be 0.11, that is 37.88 numbers. Wastage is 5% will be 1.89. Total bricks will be required 39.77. Okay. Wet volume of brickwork will be 0.03. Or due to frog filling will be 2% will be 0.03. Total dry volume will be 0.04. Cement. Cement required for 1 mm cube 26.75% means 7.74 bags. Wastage is 3% will be 0.23. So total cement including wastage will be 7.94. So total cement required will be 0.3. At the rate of 250 will be 75 rupees. Sand 0.267 cubic meter at the rate of 0.04. Wastage is 20% 0.01. Total sand is 0.049 at the rate of 1270 rupees will be 62.25. Scaffolding 1 rupees per CFT will be 10 rupees. RCC band material will be 37.670. So the material cost per square meter will be 184.95. Labor. Mortar mixing will be 0.04. Scaffolding labor will be 9. RCC band labor will be 29. Total labor will be 63. So the total labor will be 92.99. So, so total plus labor cost will be 277.94 for 1 square meter of 150 mm thick brickwork with a band. Applying, now let us talk about a 12 mm plaster. Ratio will be 1:4. Thickness will be 12 rupees. Cement required 7.7 bags at the rate of 250 1925. Wastage is 3% will be 57. Sand will be 1.07 cubic meter at the rate of 1270 will be 1358. Wastage is 20% 0.21 at the rate of 1271 will be 266.7. That means 3608. Volume of wet mortar will be 0.01200. Increase for filling depression 5%, 0.00060. So dry volume will be 0.33, that is 0.00420 cubic meter. Total volume of dry mortar will be 0.168. Total volume of cement required in bags will be 0.092 bags, that is 0.09683. Add for wastage 3%, 0.00290. Total cement required 0.09973 at the rate of 250 will be 2493. Total sand 20%, 0.00269. Okay, at the rate of 1270 will be 20.32. Waterproofing compound 15 rupees. Polyurethane fiber will be 2 rupees 50 paise. Wastages 8 paises. Wire mesh will be 8 rupees. Scaffolding charges will be 1 rupee. 77.83. That means 77 rupees 83 paises per square meter of 12 mm thick plaster material required. Labor, mason 0.5, mason 10, waterman 15, that is 0.01. Add for mixing 1. Mixer is hacking 750. Scaffolding labor 6.36. Labor rate 63 rupees. Supporting labor 8.15. So the total labor cost is 8505. So total labor plus material will be 162.88 for a 12 mm thick plaster. பாரு நின்று போச்சுரு நடுவில். அது ஸ்லைடு போயிடுது. ஓகே, இது எல்லாமே ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது. இது ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகல. சரி, இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணல ஒன்று சார். Okay, basin counter, that is 1 square meter, thickness will be 12 mm, height will be 450 mm. Granite 0.36 at the rate of 1722 will be 720 rupees. Wastage is 62 rupees. Granite 0.17, 1722 292.74. Wastage 10% will be 29.27. BAL diameter wide, bags in my square meter 10.76. Aggregates 0.0. Cement will be 250, that is 42 rupees 50 paise. Grid, there is nothing is required. SS pins and adhesives will be 225 rupees 180. So total material will be 1382.78. Labor, scaffolding, labor rate will be 1975, will be 1580 rupees. Supporting labor will be 205. So total labor cost will be 1785. So total labor plus material will be 3168 rupees per basin counter. Main door frame 6x3 rebate 55 mm African door. Okay, materials. Thick wood frame 5.725 at the rate of 786 will be 4499.85. Wastages nil. Anchor fastener 8 numbers at the rate of 22 will be 176. Foam filling 170 rupees. So total material will be 4845. Labor rate will be 323 rupees 76 paise. So total labor plus material will be 5191.61. Main door shutters, flush door shutter, square meter 2.44 at the rate of 3498 will be 8535. Beading putty, that is 332 rupees. Wastages will be 16.61. Veneer 3151.50. Wastages will be 157 rupees. Melamine polish will be 1051. Enamel paint 197. So consumables 0. So total material cost will be 13,442 per 92. Okay. Labor, scaffolding nothing. Labor rate will be 1137. So total labor plus material will be 14,560 rupees. That is 6,335 per square meter. You can download this presentation or Excel sheet in the URL which has been given here. Toilet door, the same methodology of the other door. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is being provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and support me.